Hey everyone, Steve Palladino, Music City Fire Company. Just wanted to do a quick walkthrough of the app, how to get the app connected up to a system, get it installed, and get things rolling. So here you see on our screen here that we've already opened up the app. It's already been installed. In this case, it's been installed on an iPhone. But you go ahead and install the app, open the app, and in the beginning, you're going to want to register a username and such so you can kind of get everything started. But assuming that's already been done, we're going to go ahead and open the app. You see here, I've already done this. It's logging into my account saying, welcome Steve, has our little picture and such. And then going from there, it's going to bring us into the home screen. Now here, I already have 3 systems set up, but for the purpose of this video, we're going to go ahead and show how to add a new system to this. So you can see here on the screen, it says add additional system. So go ahead and click on add additional system. And what's going to happen is that it's going to go ahead and open up our camera on the phone and then show the QR code scanner. So here on the back of our controller, you're going to see there's a QR code. Now on other systems or on the systems themselves, there's either going to be a sticker usually on the door. For example, on the trunk, when you open up the door, there's going to be the same sticker that you see here on the back of the controller located on the back of the door. Or on some of our other systems, we actually ship it separately. It's in a little baggie that comes inside of the Music City Fire cardboard box where some of the other items are. But in there, you'll see a little sticker as well that looks just like this. Worst case scenario, if you can't find it for one reason or another, or if over time, if the sticker becomes worn, you can always find the sticker on the back of the controller. So you go ahead and scan the QR code. And then from here, it's going to ask you what system that you have, right? Because our controllers, they're kind of agnostic. They're used for all of our different designs. And so from here, you're going to pick what unit do you have. Do you have the gray trunk, a brown trunk, the Resonate, trackside, sleeper? You'll see here I scroll down and shows the echoes and such. And obviously this list will grow as we have more systems. But here I went ahead and just said it was a trunk. It's then going to go pull up our Wi-Fi. Let me scoot this back here. It's going to say, please connect to your Wi-Fi settings, right? So click this Wi-Fi settings button. And it's going to go ahead and open up your options or your settings screen on your phone. In this case, again, an iPhone. So I go up to our Wi-Fi. Now I'm already connected to my home network, but we want to go ahead and get connected to the systems network. And you're going to see the system pops up Music City Fire, and then it's going to be followed by some numbers based on the serial number and such, right? So you're going to go ahead and click on this item. You're going to see I do that here in just a moment. And then from there, it's going to say enter in the password. So the default password for our system is 1234567 Rather simple. So you do that, and the system's going to go ahead and get connected. That'll be done here in just a moment. And then once it gets connected, I'm going to go back to the app, and you're going to notice at the bottom of the screen, that little continue button popped up. All right, so now you hit continue. It's going to bring you to the next screen. Now what we're doing is just like with an Alexa or with a Nest system or anything else that's out there in the market today, we are now going to add your system to your home network, right? So here you're going to click on the SSID where it says tap here to select. We're going to go ahead and click on that. And it's going to pull up, and you're going to see MCFC01, which is our network. And we'll go ahead and add in our quick little guest password. Okay, great. Then we hit connect. From here, you're going to notice the system on the screen on the controller itself. It's going to say system restarting. Because what's happening now is that it's pairing up with the app, but in addition to that, the system is now getting connected to your home network or your wherever you're using the system. So again, much like with a Nest or an Alexa, the setup is very similar to that. They will do the same thing. You get it connected to the home network, the system will restart and go from there. So this part takes probably about 30 seconds. You're seeing here that it's still spinning, saying connecting. Once the system reboots, you'll see here, we go ahead and enter in the system name. So now the system's rebooted, everything's connected. I'm going to go ahead and name the system Trunk System for the sake of this video. You can name it whatever you want to identify it. One of the important things here is that especially with iPhone, you're not able to change the Bluetooth name, right? So if you have 4 or 5 systems in your backyard or in some type of environment, you're not able to adjust or change the name in your Bluetooth settings. So what we did is we added that here into the app. So if you have 5 systems, inside the app, you can identify what systems you have based on your naming conventions, as well as the pictures if you have different models. We'll go ahead and move forward here. All right, so now we reopen the app. Welcome Steve, and now you see trunk systems right there at the top that we picked, right? And now from there you can go into the details of the system. and it'll tell you what it is. 12 South trunk, tells you the dimensions, the weights, the different things that are along with that, and they're from there. So there's going to be more videos kind of showing how to use the app and such, but this is just to show how you quickly get the app synced up with the system, and kind of go from there. Any questions, by all means, let us know. info@mcfireco.com. Thanks.